So we'll be discussing Faraday's experiment. Before that, we should know what is a galvanometer. So galvanometer is an instrument which measures current. Okay. So actually there is a zero here. If there is current in one direction, then it will deflect this side. If current is in another direction, it will deflect this side. Okay. And when there is no current, it will point towards this zero. Okay. So ammeter is also an instrument which measures current, but it does not show the direction. Galvanometer is an instrument which shows direction also. Okay. Plus, if it is pointing at the center, that means no current is flowing. Okay. Now coming to Faraday's experiment. So what he has done was he has taken a coil of wire. Okay. A galvanometer is attached to it. A galvanometer is this is galvanometer. It was attached to it. A magnet was placed near it. Okay. And what he did, the magnet, which you can see here, his north pole, its north pole, he was facing towards the coil. He moved this magnet towards the coil. उसने क्या किया कि magnet को coil के पास लाया. Okay. Then he found there is deflection in the galvanometer. Galvanometer जो बीच में show कर रहा था, वो side में point करने लग गया. Okay. Then he moved, इसी north से इधर ही point कर रहा है और उसने थोड़ा सा magnet पीछे ले गया, तो galvanometer दूसरी side show करने लगा. Okay. And whenever the magnet was moving, there was deflection in the galvanometer. And when magnet was stationary, galvanometer was pointing towards zero. Okay. Then he inverted the magnet. What he did, this was south pole, this was north pole, and again he moved this south pole towards this side. जब north pole को इधर ला रहा था तो deflection इस side था, और जब south pole को इधर ला रहा था तो deflection इस side था. South pole को जब इसी magnet को जब थोड़ा पीछे ले गया, then deflection was on the other side. Okay. So this way he conducted this experiment. This is activity 13.8. We can read this. Take a coil of wire AB having large number of turns. So connect the ends of the coil to a galvanometer. A wire is taken, conducting wire, and this coil was connected to galvanometer. Take a strong bar magnet and move its north pole towards the end of the coil. Do you find any change in the galvanometer needle? So there was change. There is a momentary deflection in the needle. Momentary मतलब जैसे ही वो पास ला रहा है तब deflection हो रहा है. वापिस deflection जैसे ही stationary हो रहा है magnet, वैसे ही deflection zero हो रहा है. This indicates presence of current in the coil AB. The deflection became zero the moment the motion of magnet stopped. Now withdraw the north pole. Withdraw मतलब उसको पीछे ले गया north pole of the magnet away from the coil. Now the galvanometer is deflected towards the left. पहले जब पास ला रहा था तो deflection right की तरफ था, जब दूर ले जा रहा था तो deflection left की तरफ था. ये दोनों किस केस की बात हो रही है? मैग्नेट का ओरिएंटेशन ऐसा है, north towards this side and south towards this side. Okay. Then now place the magnet stationary at a point near to the coil. फिर उसने magnet को stationary किया, movement कुछ भी नहीं था magnet में. Then he saw that galvanometer keeping its north pole towards the end of the coil. We see that galvanometer deflects towards right when coil is moved toward the north pole. Similarly, the needle moves towards left when coil is moved away. When the coil is kept, okay. So same thing was observed जब magnet को stationary रखा और coil का movement किया, coil को पास ले गया, there was deflection. तो मैग्नेट के नॉर्थ पोल को पास ला रहा है या कॉइल को पास ला रहा है, दोनों ही एक ही केस शो कर रहा था, डिफ्लेक्शन इन द मैग्नेट. जैसे ही कॉइल को दूर ले जा रहा है, अगेन द डिफ्लेक्शन इज ऑन द अदर साइड. ओके. सो दिस वाज द एंड व्हाट ही ऑब्जर्व दैट व्हेनेवर देयर इज रिलेटिव मोशन, इसको बोलते हैं रिलेटिव मोशन बिटवीन कॉइल एंड मैग्नेट, दोनों एक साथ मूव नहीं कर रहे, दोनों में से कोई एक मूव कर रहा है, देन देयर इज चेंज इन करंट. Okay. So galvanometer, which I have already explained you, it is given in the book. Galvanometer is an instrument that can detect the presence of current in the circuit. The pointer points at 0 for 0 current flowing through it. It can deflect either to the left or right of the 0 mark depending on the direction of current. So here center, at the center there is 0 mark, and it can deflect on this side or deflect on this side. Okay. So this is galvanometer. Now same thing, it is given here that if south pole of the magnet was moved toward the coil, the galvanometer would just be opposite in the previous case. Okay. So this was the Faraday's experiment. Then one more experiment is given, one more activity. पहले क्या किया था हमने कि कॉइल थी, गैल्वनोमीटर था और मैग्नेट था. ठीक है. अब इस वाले केस में क्या है, मैग्नेट नहीं है, यहाँ पे एक इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट है, कॉइल है, बैटरी है, की है, and electric current is flowing through this coil 1, and we can see the deflection in coil 2. करंट तो coil 1 में फ्लो हो रहा है, लेकिन डिफ्लेक्शन coil 2 में भी दिख रहा है. So let us see this experiment in detail. So take two different coils of copper wire having large number of turns. Insert them over a non-conducting cylindrical roll. This one is not a conductor. ये जो रोल है सिलेंडर का, ये करंट पास नहीं कर रहा है, करंट तो इस सर्किट में ही फ्लो हो रहा है. ओके. Connect coil 1 having large number of turns in series with the battery and plug key. Here there is a battery, here there is a plug key, and this is coil 1. And also connect the other coil 2 with galvanometer. Galvanometer is connected कि हम बस ये चेक कर रहे हैं कि coil 2 में भी इसके कारण जो coil 1 में करंट हो रहा है उसके कारण coil 2 में भी करंट फ्लो हो रहा है क्या. ओके. Is there is in plug in the key, observe the galvanometer. जैसे ही ये की प्लग करेंगे वैसे ही क्या होगा कि सर्किट से करंट फ्लो होगा. So when current will flow through this circuit, okay, there will be deflection in the galvanometer. This deflection will be for very small amount of time, and again the galvanometer will come to 0 position. Okay. So you will observe that needle of the galvanometer instantly jumps to one side and just as quickly returns to 0, indicating a momentary current in coil 2. Disconnect coil 1 from the battery. You will observe that needle momentarily moves but to the opposite side. ठीक है. तो जैसे ही की को क्लोज किया वैसे ही गैल्वनोमीटर में डिफ्लेक्शन दिखा, उसके बाद फिर से गैल्वनोमीटर 0 शो करने लगा. जैसे ही इसमें करंट फ्लो होना बंद हुआ, करंट फ्लो हो रहा था, फिर से इस की को ओपन किया, जैसे ही इसको ओपन किया अगेन गैल्वनोमीटर में डिफ्लेक्शन एक वेरी स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम के लिए शो होगा, एंड देन it will point towards 0. Okay. So what is happening actually here? Current is flowing. Because of current flow, we have seen that whenever there is current flowing through a conductor, a magnetic field is set around it. So because of that, a magnetic field is set around it, and this magnetic field produces magnetic field in coil 2 also, or there is a change in magnetic field. Because of that, current is induced in coil 2. Because of there is change in magnetic field, and change of magnetic field induces current in coil 2 also, which is shown in the galvanometer. So here coil 1 is called primary coil and coil 2 is called secondary coil. As current in first coil changes, the magnetic field associated with it also changes, and thus magnetic field lines around the secondary coil changes, and hence change in magnetic field lines associated with secondary coil produces an induced current in it. This process is called electromagnetic induction. Okay. So this is what electromagnetic induction is. Okay. And I'll give you one more definition of electromagnetic induction. You can write the process of producing induced current in a closed circuit or in a coil by changing magnetic field. Linked with the coil is called electromagnetic induction. Okay. So the process of producing induced current in a closed circuit or in a coil by changing magnetic field linked with it is called electromagnetic induction. Okay. So